The sheep has a third eyelid so that it can, but you can't see it right now, but the purpose of it is to protect the globe, distribute tears, produce bacteria fighting, and protect bacteria fighting substances.
First, we're going to cut off the muscle and fatty tissue. The purpose of the muscle and the fatty tissue keeps the eye from bumping and getting into the bone and getting bruised.
So first you just cut away at the muscle and the fat tissue around the eye. And some of these muscles also make the eye move. And you want to be careful for the optic nerve. Okay, so Ella. So now this is the optic nerve right here. That is.
The purpose of the optic nerve is to send the images collected into the eye to the brain.
Pause it. So now you're gonna put all the muscle and fatty tissue on your part sheet. So now we're gonna cut into the eye. So what we have left that's around the cornea, which is this, is the scleria, which is the outer shell of the eye. So by cutting it open, we're going to want to cut it straight in half from here. So then we have the front and the back side of the eye. So you just make little slits until you can actually open it up. Can't get into it. There we go. And then you just cut around it until you get all the way around. Talk about this. The liquid coming out.
The water-like liquid that comes out is called the aqueous humor. It allows the eye to stay in the shape that it is in.
That is this water stuff coming out right there. Can't really put that on the sheet, but that's what that water is that's coming out. So
the gooey-like stuff that you see now,
it's like getting stuck to everything. There.
The gooey-like stuff that you see now is called the vitreous humor. It provides nutrients to the eye and also helps hold shape.
So we don't need this for that, so we're just gonna take that out and put it right here. And it holds a shape. Oh, this is the vitreous humor right there.
Now we are going to see the lens, which is located behind the iris. The iris also surrounds the pupil. The lens makes an image on the retina.
So here's the lens. It's hard right now, but when it was alive, it was squishy, and then it's able to expand, so then you can see the different visions. So that's not the iris, this is the lens. Now I'm just taking the rest of the vitreous humor off of the front part of the eye, if I can. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the back part of the eye. So right here, this is the vitreous humor, which is like the skin-like looking stuff, and as you can see, it's connected to the optic nerve, which is on the back. So we can just talk about it. This is the retina.
The job of the retina is to collect the light entering the eye through the lens from the outside world. Both humans and sheep form an image with the retina.
So you see the the shiny blue stuff on the back of it. That is called the taped lucidium. So for taking that out, you just pinch, just kind of pinch around the edges and try to grab it, and it'll come off. And then just peel it.
As you can see, the tapetum lucidium is very reflective. It allows the lamb to see at night by reflecting light onto the retina.
And humans don't have this part because we don't really see it. Well, we do, but we don't have one. So now we're done with this part of the eye for now, and yeah. So now we're gonna look at the front part of the eye. So on the back side of this, like mushroom edge looking stuff, it's kind of textured and it's black in the front of the eye. If we peel that open and get to the iris, but there's a slit in the iris, and the purpose of it is to increase the amount of light from in front and behind, and it reduces the amount of light from the top and the bottom. So that's the purpose of the slit in the iris. But to take off and to get to the iris, I would cut this in half and then start use your tweezers to pull it off. And here we go. Now we're starting to see the iris.
The iris is the color of your eye.
There's the iris. So then put that on your part sheet, your iris. So now what we are left with is the cornea. And wait. Yeah, the cornea. And this is also a part of the scleria. So we're just left with the front of the eye and the cornea. So this is the cornea, the clear looking stuff. So the cornea has many different layers and it protects the eye. And the scleria, which is like right here, the outside, the scleria helps maintain shape and support for the retina and the lens. And the cornea is over the iris and the pupil. So if you want to unconnect them, you just cut the cornea at the end. You might want to cut into the scleria to get it out, and then just go around in a circle. And then you have the scleria and the cornea. And the aqueous humor is the water-looking stuff, which is right here. Can't really put that on there. And the optic nerve is right here. So that would go right there.
The cornea